Okay, hi guys. I'm back. It's Lisa, and today is day 66, I think, Salesvision 100 video challenge. And I'm going to finish up what I was talking about with Receipt Hog, and I'll show you, I'm going to upload a receipt right now. Yeah, it was fun yesterday. I spilled that Chobani drinkable yogurt all over my bed. So I had to do the sheets, the mattress cover. Thank God it didn't go through to the mattress itself. And then the comforter, everything had to be washed. So yeah, a few F-bombs came out of my mouth. And so I had to edit the video to cut it right when it happened. You can imagine it wasn't pretty. All right. Would have been funny, though, if I had the whole thing on video and you could have seen it spill. Then it might have been funny. All right. Now I'm pressing this to upload my receipt from Market Basket. And see, if you do the whole receipt, it's so small. So what I do is I do it in parts. I'll do that. Okay. And then you can do more of it. It's all right if you overlap, and it's better to have a repeat of some of the stuff than to not have everything. And then turn it over. However many pages your receipt ends up being is fine. See, they hate when the print is faded, but I can't help it. The prices are readable, so. Okay. That was an expensive shopping trip for me. $87. Wow. Okay. All right, once you've snapped the receipt, and it says please keep device flat so that you get it correctly, and then you hit the check mark. Preview, make sure it looks good. Looks good. Sometimes they ask you survey questions too after. Which of the following have you done in the past 12 months to purchase groceries or household essentials? Select all that apply. Shop in store. Order online, in-store pickup, kiosk pickup, subscription service, and that's it. Next. Which of the following will you do in the next 12 months to purchase groceries, household essentials? Same thing, shop in-store, order online, subscription service. When it comes to trying new shopping services, which statement best describes you? I like new services, use them before most people I know. Sure. Thanks for the receipt. All right, it doesn't do that every time, but okay, so I just uploaded that, and then it takes a little bit of time before the coins actually show up, but my slots will probably show up right away because this is the first receipt I've uploaded in week 3, July 15th to July 21st. So maybe I can even show you what it looks like when the slots come out. See here, I had earned 36 coins when I connected Amazon and 5 sweepstakes entries a month for keeping my Amazon connected. And I was awarded 100 coins for linking my email account and earned 5 sweepstakes entries every month as long as my email account is connected. Go to slots. Nope, it still says 0. Come on, I want to play my slots. Okay. It'll come. It just takes some time for them to review it. All right. What else didn't I tell you? I got off in such a rush yesterday. These are entries in the sweepstakes. And it automatically will enter you in their sweepstakes every month. Drat, no prize. Good luck in July. Yeah, that was from June. But see how some people, somebody with a 7-Eleven receipt won 5,000 coins. So that's like $25 because for every 1,000 coins you get $5. So plus another 5,405 lucky winners of 20,200 or 5,000 coins. So those are the different sweepstakes. I wanted to show you the slots, but still no slots. All right. The other day it came up right away. I'll put the address below in this video. I forgot to the other day to download this if you want to download it. At least the iPhone App Store address. Google Play, you might have to look that up on Google Play if you're an Android phone. Alrighty. Let's see what happens if I log out and then log back in. I'm just curious. Receipt log. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, the slots might be there. Let me see. You earned 5 entries from Email Connect. You earned 5 sweeps. Okay, that was already there, I thought. Let's see. Nope, the slots aren't still there. I figured I'd give it a try. But see, I just cashed in a few days ago, and I got $5 deposited into my PayPal because I had 1,000, and I'm already up to $693. Once I hit 1,000, I'll get another $5. I mean, it adds up. $5 is $5, you know. It helps. For us people, you know, starting businesses and living on shoestring budgets and trying to make things work, you know, $5 helps. And there's a lot of different apps like this. This is one of the best. I can show you another one that's pretty good too that I use. Yeah, let me go to Fetch Rewards. Okay, this is on the iPhone App Store. I assume it's probably on Google Play too. I'll have to double check. But this is similar. You get, here you don't get cash into pay. Oh, actually you can get cash into PayPal, but you have to have a minimum of 5,000 or 6,000 points. Since I use Amazon a lot too, I usually, once I hit 3,300 points, I think it's 3,300, I can get an Amazon gift card. So I tend to do that, and then I get my points. They have, just to show you an example, let's see. In addition to uploading your receipts, which is right here, you also have e-receipts, which is like your Amazon and stuff. And I'm just checking that. And they'll scan and see if there was any recent uploads. And let's see. Processing receipts. Yay, I got some stuff. Okay, so receipt scan bonus, 25 points. Oh, and that was for Walmart, not even Amazon, from Walmart online. I do some drop shipping sometimes and make different purchases, so that had to do with that. Let's see. Yeah, and if you order certain brands, if certain brands are on your receipt, you get additional points. Let's see, 7,000 points per 2 referrals through Tuesday. So if you sign up before Tuesday, use my code, guys. Let's see, get code 7TXGV. Tap to copy. That's my code. So if you guys sign up, use my code, because then get 7,000 points for every 2 friends you refer, and your friend also gets 2,000 points when they scan their first receipt. So that's good, because you'll get 2,000 points on your first receipt, and then it won't take long if you want to just cash out at, like, you know, 3,000 whatever, and get a gift card. You can do that, or you can let it add up. Single care, earn points on prescriptions. What else do you earn points on? Those are different receipts. I mean, it's real easy. It's all just stuff that you do anyways. Just save every receipt when you go shopping, and, you know, use apps like this. They add up. See, I already cashed out and got, I forget if I got an Amazon gift card or what, but I had cashed out once already. This I just started recently, just like a month ago, so. And the different rewards, like here's the $3 gift card. You have to have 3,500 points, so I'm almost there for that. You can get entries for 2,500 points. You get 100 entries into a Visa $1,000 contest. You can choose that. If you have 5,000 points and you want to subscribe to People Magazine, you get That's for 5,000 points. So, I mean, if you don't want cash in your PayPal, or you don't want an Amazon gift card or an iTunes gift card or an eBay gift card, there's other things. There's even art supplies. Let's see, allposters.com online. You can get gift certificates, $25 gift certificate for 25,000 points, and a $50 gift certificate for 50,000 points. Okay, oops, no, I don't want to stop that. Art, beauty, okay, Sephora, Ulta, electronics, Fitbit, GameStop, Nintendo. They have a lot of options. Fashion, different fashion places you can get gift cards for. All this stuff. Pets, restaurant gift cards, spa, travel. So there's a lot more things that you can cash it in for on this to use your points for different things versus Receipt Hog. But I like Receipt Hog best. It suits me well. I just want money from my PayPal, and it's simple and adds up quick. But this is just as simple. Again, you just go like that, and I may as well do this receipt. Let's see. Okay. And then add section. Okay. Add section again. And my cat wants to get in the picture. She's coming over. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Add section. And there we go. Okay. Submit. Your receipt is uploading. Okay, so I got 25 points for that. There you go. Look, there, I'm going to upload my cat. Focus. Tap screen to focus. Let's see what they do if they get this instead of a receipt. And I can submit it. Do I get any points for my cat? Missing info. Oh, okay. Then I'll get out of that. You're so silly, Spooky. Okay, let's go back to finishing up here. All right, so there, now you got some more value. 2 apps. You got Fetch Rewards and Receipt Hog to earn some money every month. And those are 2 of the best. And as I get to more of them, some of them I haven't used in a while, but when I find more and when I find more ways to save money or make money, you can be sure that you will get it on this channel, that I will review it for you, and I will tell you that give you the skinny on it, you know. Some stuff, you know, you got to worry about if it's a scam, and if it is, I will let you guys know. I will tell you if I've tried one and it turns to be a scam, but usually if they're in the App Store, they're pretty reliable, but not always. I've had some where I just had problems with them and I didn't stick with them because I never got my rewards and stuff. So I guarantee you these 2 that I have reviewed, you will get your rewards within several days of confirming it and requesting it. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. Subscribe to my channel, please. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Smash that bell so you don't miss any of my enlightening videos as I do them. And have a great day. Love you guys. Enjoy your weekend and whatnot. And yeah, that's it. Signing off for now. Love you guys. And don't forget, join Salesvision. Keep the address below, the URL. And I hope you've already gotten your mass traffic blueprint through 4%. I'll leave that down below too. That is a game changer. That you will never worry about getting customers to your website or business or product or service ever again once you master the language of traffic through that blueprint. Okay, guys, love you. Have a great day and do something nice for somebody this weekend. Do a random act of kindness. Every day do something kind for somebody else and you will feel good. As long as you make one person smile every day, you're doing all right. You change one person's life, you're doing great. You don't have to change the world. You're changing one person's life. One click at a time, one smile at a time. All right, guys, have a great day. And stop.